Hello everyone to the Unconventionally Python. In this presentation we will examine objects of type point. So here we go.
The simplest graphics object that we can place on the canvas is a point. A point type object looks like a speck. It is actually a pixel, a dot if you wish, on a canvas. At line 9 we see the Python command, the Python statement that creates the object. Let's examine this statement. An object that we're about to create requires a name. So in this example, we decided to name the point object P1. So in a sense, at line 9 says to the computer, create P1, which is a point at the location with coordinates x 200 and y 100. So behind the scenes, a point named P1 is being created at the specified location. At line 10, the Python command instructs the computer to draw the object on the canvas of the window named WN and make visible the object P1. Let's formalize the syntax of the line 9, the statement on line 9. On the very left, we have the name of the object, followed by the assignment symbol, followed by the constructor and the required parameters. This sign is not the math equal to, but in programming, this is the assignment sign. So you may read this statement as P1 is a point at location x200 and y100, or you may read it as create P1 and make it a point at location x200 and y100. Keep in mind that the previous statement was said in English, and in Python language, the equivalent statement is this. Let's formalize the syntax of the line 10, which is object name, followed by the dot operator, followed by the method name, which loosely translates to draw and show the object named P1. We will introduce and discuss the methods extensively at a later unit.
This is the end of this unit. Thank you for watching this video.